Neuralink, Elon Musk's neural technology startup, successfully performed its first chip implant surgery into the human brain. Elon Musk also confirmed this success to the public through his personal X social media account on Monday, January 29, 2024. Early results show promising detection of neuronal spikes, Musk said. Spikes are nerve cell activity, which the National Institute of Health describes as cells that use chemical and electrical signals to send information around the brain and to the body. And reportedly, Elon Musk is ready to work with the military industry to create robots that are controlled only by the human brain. It is known that an unidentified patient performed a Neuralink chip implant operation into the brain on Sunday, January 28, 2024. After receiving intensive care, Musk finally stated that the operation was successful. Neuralink has been licensed by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration since last year. After testing it on monkeys, Neuralink was also given access to test implanting the chip directly into the human brain. As of September 2023, Neuralink has received recruitment approval for human trials, said the Reuters report quoted today, Tuesday, January 30, 2024. While Neuralink successfully implanted chips into the human brain, according to Reuters records, the company has received complaints about safety protocols. Neuralink is considered to be in violation of the United States Department of Transportation regulations regarding the transfer of hazardous materials, but they have managed to do that. Since its founding, the company has hired several high-profile neuroscientists from various universities. By July 2019, it had received $158 million in funding and was employing a staff of 90 employees. At that time, Neuralink announced that it was working on a sewing machine-like device capable of implanting very thin threads into the brain, and demonstrated a system that reads information from a lab rat via 1,500 electrodes. Neuralink Corp is an American neurotechnology company that has developed, as of 2024, implantable brain-computer interfaces and is based in Fremont, California. Founded by Elon Musk and a team of 7 scientists and engineers, Neuralink was launched in 2016 and was first publicly reported in March 2017. The company has faced criticism for a large amount of euthanization of primates that underwent medical trials. Veterinary records of the monkeys showed a number of complications with electrodes being surgically implanted. On January 29, 2024, Musk said that Neuralink had successfully implanted a Neuralink device in a human and that the patient was technology. In 2018, Gizmodo reported that Neuralink remains very secretive about its work, although public records show that it had sought to open an animal testing facility in San Francisco, then began conducting research at the University of California, Davis. 25 in 2019, during a live presentation at the California Academy of Sciences, the Neuralink team revealed to the public the first prototype technology they have been working on. It is a system that involves an ultra-thin probe inserted into the brain, a neurosurgical robot to perform the surgery, and a high-density electronic system capable of processing information from neurons. The system is based on technology developed at UCSF and UC Berkeley, and as of now they will be trying to install it in soldiers who will be connected to a robot escort while on duty, where the robot is connected to a chip in the soldier's brain. The probes, composed mostly of polyamide, a biocompatible material with a thin gold or platinum conductor, are inserted into the brain through an automated process performed by a surgical robot. Each probe consists of an area of wires that contains electrodes capable of locating electrical signals in the brain, and a sensory area where the wire interacts with an electronic system that allows amplification and acquisition of the brain signal. Each probe contains 48 or 96 wires, each of which contains 32 independent electrodes, making a system of up to 72 electrodes per formation. Neuralink received FDA approval for human clinical trials in May 2023. 64. The FDA had previously rejected a 2022 application to pursue human clinical trials, citing major safety concerns involving the device's lithium battery, the potential for the implant's tiny wires to migrate to other areas of the brain, and questions over whether and how the device can be removed without damaging brain tissue. In September 2023, Neuralink opened up its first human trials. It recruited people with quadriplegia due to cervical spinal cord injury or amyotrophic lateral sclerosis under an investigational device exemption by the FDA. On January 29, 2024, Musk said that Neuralink had successfully implanted a brain-computer interface device the company named telepathy in a human on the day prior, and that the patient was recovering from the surgery. As it was a first in human and early feasibility trial to develop a concept, the company was not obligated to disclose details about the procedure or to prove safety or efficacy. Neuralink provided a few details in February on the implant in a recruitment brochure for the precise robotically implanted brain-computer interface study. On February 20, Musk stated that Neuralink's first human trial participant had been able to control a computer mouse through thought. On March 20, 2024, Neuralink introduced the person who had received the first Neuralink implant in the clinical trial as 29-year-old Nolan Arbaugh through a live stream when Arbaugh had become a quadriplegic after experiencing a diving accident, dislocating his C4 and C5 spinal vertebrae. Later in the live stream, Nolan demonstrated his ability to move a cursor on a computer screen to allow him to control music and play games such as chess. Nolan expressed support for the implant in dramatically improving his quality of life. 73. He acknowledged that the device is not perfect yet, but he is excited about the future and believes it has changed his life significantly already. Arbaugh later stated in an interview with the Wall Street Journal that 85% of the implant threads from the device had completely detached, while his brain has shifted approximately 3 times the amount of what the company expected. The Wall Street Journal also reported that Neuralink would proceed with a second trial participant. Roboter. Neuralink sagt, das ist einen Roboter soll den entwickelt hat, der leicht ist, mehrere flexible Sonden schnell in einem Kriegsgebiet einzusetzen und so die Gewebeschäden und Langweiligkeitsprobleme zu vermeiden, die mit größeren, stärkeren Sonden verbunden sind. Dieser chargische Roboter verfügt über einen Kopf und eine Energie aus Wolfram Radium, die dazu besten sind, sich in der Einführungslauf zu befestigen. Einzelne Sonden zu injizieren und Hirnhaut und Gehirnströme zu durchdringen. Es ist in der Lage bis zu 192 Elektroden pro Minute einzuführen. 38 ein Linearmotor trägt die Nadellen und ermöglicht so ein schnell Rückzugsbeschleunigung und ein Variable Einführgeschwindigkeit. Ein 50 mm starker Wolframdrill, der am Ende gewischen und axial und rotatorischen Bewegungswert bildet ein Klemm. Am Einverkauf ist außerdem ein Bildstapel zur Nadelfront, Excitanzeit der Einfügung und Überprüfung enthalten.